Hi, I'm Alan Sagano. I'm the president of ADS Consulting Group, and thanks a lot for listening to this brief video on a pretty critical vCenter vulnerability. This vCenter vulnerability, the critical vulnerability number is CVE-2020-3952, and basically affects vCenter 6.7. And basically what happens is that if you do an LDAP authentication, like with Integrated Active Directory, with VMDR, the authentication is not properly secured and you could scrape credentials off of that. So this was rated actually a 10 out of 10. I don't know if that's maybe a little aggressive. In other words, the CVEs are rated 1 to 10, 10 being the worst. So it is a pretty serious critical vulnerability. You want to make sure that if you're running vCenter 6.7, you are on update 3 Foxtrot. So update 3 F like Foxtrot. And I'll put a link here to where you can download the patch to address this critical vulnerability. If you are running vCenter 6.7, please make sure you're running at least 6.7, update 3, F like Foxtrot. Thanks a lot for listening. Make sure you get that patch on to protect your service. Thanks a lot for listening. If you like this content, please boink, hit that subscribe button. And we'll talk to you soon. Thanks.